I'm literally rushing out of the house. I wasn't supposed to leave the house today, but I have to because they just announced that Lagos is going on that curfew or lockdown. Like for 24 hours, nobody's allowed to leave the house because of the protests. Kind of saw this coming after I saw a couple of things that, on the news, social media this morning. It's just crazy where we are right now. Honestly, it's just really crazy. I've been putting off going like grocery shopping. I just need to get a few things. But because because traffic has been really bad, and I'm like, okay, I'm just going to wait till the weekend to do my grocery shopping. But it's no longer even about traffic now. If I don't do some of the things that I'm supposed to do right now, then I might not be able to do them for the rest of the week. So yeah, let me go grocery shopping. That's what I just have to do now. I just got back home. The only word that I can use to describe what I saw outside is madness. That's really it. Like, I don't even know what else to say. Like, the whole situation, like, outside, like, when I went to shop, it reminded me so much of the beginning of lockdown and how people were panic buying because people were legit panic buying. If I didn't leave the house around the time that I left, I would have been in so much trouble because I got into ShopRite first of all. And there are no trolleys. And even guys at the height of lockdown, there are trolleys. I was so surprised that there were no trolleys. So I had to wait for like 15 minutes to get a trolley. And then I get the trolley, and then like 5 minutes later or so, they just closed the door to ShopRite. And I felt so bad because people were just standing outside. Lagos is really not the state for what I just saw today. If you want to impose a curfew, Lagos is big. People go to work from the mainland to the island to the mainland. And this journey in some cases takes up to 2 hours for people. Like, how do you just tell people like that there will be a curfew like in under 5 hours and everybody's just kind of locking down? Like, the panic buying is insane. And even finding parking in some of the like smaller supermarkets, crazy, guys. I'm going to go through everything now. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to just prep my smoothie, because I put them, I'll show you guys, in small Ziploc bags. It makes it very easy for me to just blend.
How do we get this low? You come over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it, but that's irrelevant now. We should talk about us. How come we're holding on? Was really I don't see the benefits now. When you've broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new, just to pass time. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you.
Really quickly wanted to show you guys this cake decorating kit that I got from Amazon. I actually saw Nika on Twitter talking about this and I was like, oh, I didn't actually know that you could get something like this. So when I was ordering like my wigs from Amazon, I just ordered this. It comes with, okay, so that I don't just scatter this box, it comes with a bunch of different things, like one turntable for icing your cakes, 48 numbered icing tips, 2 spatulas, perfect, and they're very good spatulas at that, 3 scraper sets, 2 icing coupler, hard chocolate mold. That one is right on top here, so I can show you guys. So this is a hard chocolate mold that it comes with. There's a flower lifter, a flower nail, 50 disposable icing bags, perfect cake leveler, cleaning brush, 40 cupcake liners, 3 Russian tips, Russian coupler, decorating pen, and silicone bag. So everything is in here. I've kind of already opened this. Let me just open it. So this is just one of the spatulas. Like, it has like everything I think that you would need. I wish I had this around the time that, you know, I baked my cake for my birthday. You know, there's like the thing here for cutting your cakes. Like, it just comes with a bunch of different things. I want to bake another cake soon, so I'm just happy that I have this. In short, let me bring it out and show you guys instead of like what I'm doing now. So these are like the cupcake liners. Okay, this is the second spatula. So 2 spatulas. These are very, very good for icing, by the way, if you're not sure what these are for. This is the thing for icing. So in here you have the scraper set, the brush, like everything that you would need actually. So I really like this. I can't remember how much I bought this on Amazon, but I'm going to put the price on the screen. Because the box was a bit big and maybe slightly heavy, shipping was a bit expensive, just so that you guys know in case anyone is trying to get this. But as usual, I'm going to leave the link for this in the description box in case you're interested. Guys, it's been almost a week since the last clips that you guys saw. I haven't touched my camera since, because to be very honest, everything went to shit after I came back from grocery shopping that day. And it's so crazy to me because that day I heard the protesters, you know, because I had gone out. I drove past there and they were very lively. I could hear them from where I was. That evening, the Nigerian army opened fire on peaceful protesters. We still don't know what the death toll is. We still don't know who gave the orders. Lagos State government is saying forces beyond their control. They shot at people who did not do anything to them. People who did not have guns, who were just holding the Nigerian flag and singing. Shot at them. Came out the next day and they were saying that there were no casualties, that nobody died. But we saw someone die on Instagram Live. The gaslighting that I think Nigerians have had to deal with this past week is, I've never seen anything like it before. I've just never seen anything like it before. So it's that, and it's that heartbreak, and it's the fact that businesses are literally suffering, you know. One thing that I still don't understand is, we protested for over a week here in Lagos without any looting, without any like stealing, without rioting. Protesters were even cleaning after themselves, you know. Very, very peaceful. The curfew starts on Tuesday and everything goes, like, everything just like like turns upside down, you know. One thing that is literally almost unforgivable to me at this point is the fact that a lot of Lagosians, Lagos businesses, business owners, even families didn't have access to emergency services for close to 48 hours here in Lagos. People watched their businesses burn to the ground. They called fire service. They called the police. Nobody came to their rescue. I have family members who their businesses burned to the ground. They tried. They tried to save these businesses. They watched their businesses burn to the ground. The police was nowhere to be found. Fire service, nothing. Even like, okay, they finished stealing from us, oh yeah, so that then they set our stores on fire. Okay, can they please come and put the fire out for us so that at least we have something left? Nothing. I honestly pray that things get better for us here in Nigeria. I just need to cook. I need to meal prep. I want to make maybe chicken stir fry with rice. That's what I'm going to cook now. So, and after that, I'll just end this vlog. But I hope you all are well. By the time this goes up, probably be maybe over a week since all of this happened, or over a week since now. But it has to be because I have a lot of videos that, you know, couldn't put out because of everything that was happening. But yeah, let me go and cook.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times.
Okay, so cook some white rice, and I'm just going to pair it with this, okay? Okay, about to chow this down. I think I'm going to drink this. This is just like, I haven't eaten much today, so I think I can get away with eating this. I'm not going to eat anything else today. But I haven't tried these new flavors of Maltina, and I got this because of Tommy Care and Osaz. They both kind of represent different flavors. So this is the vanilla flavored Maltina. I'm going to do a review right now. I'm gonna drink this and tell you guys what I think, okay? How many calories do you get in this? I don't think I'll be able to finish one can. This is about 330 ml per can, and it's about 245 calories per 100 ml. So that's a lot of calories. That's like almost 1,000 calories. Maybe about 800 in this thing. That's a lot. So I just want to do a taste test to tell you guys what I think. But I'm going to reserve these for my guests. Let's see. Ah, this is good. There's a pineapple one. I'll try that one maybe in the next vlog and tell you guys what this is so good. The vanilla flavor is so mild. It's not overpowering in any way. Bro, are you guys sure I'm not going to finish one can? By the way, this chicken stir fry, I love it so much. It reminds me a lot of like the Chinese like chicken and chili. Is it chicken chili? Okay, so it reminds me a lot of one of my favorite like sauces that I would get from Yin Yang. I think the chicken chili chicken. I don't know what it's called. I'll find the exact name and put it on the screen, but there's this particular one that I always get all the time, and this tastes almost like it. This particular recipe is from Kiki's Foodies. God, I think I'm butchering names, but I think it's Kiki's Foodies, not sure which one. But I used her recipe to bake my birthday cake, and she writes out like, see, her description box is like a love letter to me. She does like measurements and she measures everything, and then like even if you've never cooked before, you can follow her instructions and then read the recipe, and you're able to cook something amazing. This is the second time that I'm making this particular stir fry, and I love it so much. Food makes me so freaking happy. But guys, that's it for this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next one. Say a quick prayer for Nigeria if you can, please. It's very, very important. I don't understand where we are right now, but yeah, I'll just take my time and finish this, maybe rest a little bit and then edit this. So I'll see you guys in my next one.